Okay, you guys back? I don't know what's going on here with my son's phone, but I just want to make sure you guys all know I'm back. Jeez. Alright, I'm going to video with what I got here. I'll go from there. So, like I said, I'm on Ridgeview. Cross street is Limonite that's behind me. Or the major cross street is behind me. 58th Street is up front. 6108 is where I'm at. I'm going to go across here since the neighbor doesn't want me to stand and video her home. I can actually stand over here, completely legal. Alright, and video the chicken coop. Now this is a different crew. Denise, tell everybody I'm back. I just had to shut this phone off and back it up. So I'm standing over a video. I could use some more support over here since this lady does not want us to video her house, which I wasn't videoing her house. You know, just videoing the trucks that's working out here. And it's not hard. I don't know, Daisy. Can't keep count. All I know is they're pretty active here in Mariloma today because they figured we're on vacation. I really need to do laundry. I was trying to go somewhere at RCC. I got a couple of things done before I was racing over here, following the legal speed limit. I got somebody driving up slow. And let's see who I got here. A nice Range Rover. Really nice. Really nice. Yeah, they're taking the birds, and the homeowner told me I can't video her. I'm standing out here in public. She don't care. By the way, where did you get such a nice Range Rover? What's wrong? Where do you live? You can't live around here with that thing. This is nice, dude.
Thanks, man.
I want a video when you grow. I'll raise your window. Yeah, you believe that? She actually came out and told me I can't video because it's her house. She doesn't understand the reason why we're videoing, because if you're illegal, you can live in the state. Everything's safe, right?
Yeah.
But you don't get paid for the chickens that they kill because you don't have a social security number. That's chicken shit. Exactly. So all I want to do is, you give these people a check, I'll leave. I'll stop filming you.
I don't even agree with them.
No, do not admit it to anybody. Because I'm definitely not going to put you on my video then. There's a good guy over here talking. I'm not even going to put him on the video. So yeah, so that's what's happening here. And they got crews everywhere. And we've been walking. You can't miss it. It's Dodge Ram trucks. They're using basic Dodge Ram trucks. And it's government. It doesn't say exempt. If you look at the little tag on there, it says permanent. So yeah. I can't believe she came out and told me to leave, and I got the camera going. You know, doesn't she understand this is America? I can film all day I want. I even told her, call the cops. Cops ain't coming. They already told us they're not coming out for any more of this chicken bullshit, right? They're not going to come out and support us.
Right.
You know, they'll come out and protect these people, but they won't support us. We have a Facebook group called Save Our Birds.
Yeah, that's how I found out about it.
Okay. All right, thank you. Hit like it here. I'm running for city council.
Hey, what's your name?
John Denilofs. Denilofs. All right, take care. It's not for our city. Yeah, so it's just funny how people are just. See what you guys are saying. Okay, well, like I said, get this message over to Rose. Contact Gina. Tell Gina to contact Carrie, and tell everybody that I'm over here at 6108 Ridgeview. They do not want any attention. They don't want any crews. They don't want any filming. So to me, that sounds like an invite. My neighbors where I live, they've learned to start inviting me to their parties, because otherwise, you know, I just show up anyway. Just hate it when people don't get it. We're here to help you. We're here to help you. So what? So everybody's going to know that your house, you lost your bird, you're getting a nice check, but your illegal immigrant neighbors aren't getting a check. You don't want them to know that, huh? Just as long as you're well taken care of, we shouldn't care about other people. Bull. Exactly, Josie. Yeah. Vanessa, if you're listening, tell our crew, tell our people. 6108 Ridgeview. So the other vehicles that they're following, the one with the CHP, there's no CHP here. There's no cops here. See, because this house was not on our list of houses to protect, to stand up for. So we're standing up for these houses. Cops are sent, 4 of them. Here, these people don't want our help, not interested in our help. These are the kind of people that's just going to give up when the state comes and gets our guns. You know, just going to hand everything over and say, no, we don't want you to get involved. 6108 Ridgeview. Yeah. So I just love that. You can't film me. You can't video me. I even invited her to call the police, call the sheriff's department, get some law enforcement out here. I'm not doing anything. I'm standing out here talking to myself. Usually that's allowed. All these drug addicts are allowed to roam wherever they want, video whatever they want, do whatever they want. We got mentally homeless people that's out there talking to themselves. I just happen to be standing out here with a phone in my hand. Thank you, Vanessa. You know, and I'm allowed to do that. And if you don't like it, what you do is you follow a restraining order. My name is John Dave Denilofs, Denilofs, and you can get my home address off of my political page, but I'll give it to you here, 6288 Jones Avenue, Riverside, California, 92505. You take me to court, and the judge says, are you going to go to our house anymore? And I'm going to say, no. Now that you have officially addressed this in a court, I'm not going to go to her house. I don't need to go to her house. Her house is 6108 Ridgeview, where the chickens are being killed, and she's not interested in getting the word out to let people know that this is completely wrong. All right, folks? So I'm doing my part. Thank you, Vanessa. And just so everyone knows, we don't leak out certain information in our public group, SOB. The reason why we don't is because we know we're being watched. So we have a lot of groups. We have filtered our staff, that people that we can trust. You know, let's see what Daisy said. Why did those people even get chickens if she can give them up so quickly? Well, it's because people get scared easily. I mean, I get scared if somebody showed up at my house in a government vehicle, dressed up nice, and you're not in a cop's uniform. That means I'm going somewhere. I'm going to disappear. You know, if they come in a sheriff's uniform or Riverside PD, in my case, in my area is Riverside PD. If they come in uniform, I'm a little bit more like, oh, cool, my neighbors see that the cops are at my house. But when these people come with unmarked vehicles, which are government vehicles, I've proven it to you guys, just because they don't say government on it, like that white truck is probably, no, that one has a regular blue sticker, probably her truck. But off to the right, it doesn't say government exempt or what is it, tax exempt. It says something else, PBR or something. So that's a government vehicle. That's their new way of identifying their government vehicles, which is wrong. Our government should always be identifiable. It should be on the side of their vehicle, so that way we know they're official. You know, a lot of old people, a lot of illegal immigrants, they're getting conned because people walking up to them saying, hey, did you guys heard about that attorney that got arrested finally after violating people's rights, saying that they have to do this, they have to conform, or he'll file a lawsuit on them? Well, so we have to get out there and protect ourselves. Yeah, exactly, Daisy. Everything has to be marked. They expect us to mark. You know, I'm going to have somebody dressed up as a chicken. We're going to do the chicken dance. So I'm a little like, wow, I can't believe that. Young lady, don't you get it? They're going to take your chickens today and your guns tomorrow. And then I'm not coming back to this house after today. because I've already been told I'm not wanted here. So when they come by and take the rest of her stuff, I'm not gonna be out here showing them anything, not showing them my love or anything like that. Probably is important. So that's what's going on, folks. Truly, truly sad. Truly, truly sad. I mean, she's back there watching them kill him. You know, I told him, call the police. But, probably gonna have to get going here soon. So, folks, this is what's happening. The houses that we were representing are standing up for, they're coming with the cops, coming with the CHP. The houses were not, they're coming with another crew. So it's still happening. The crews are everywhere. I'm glad that these people get jobs. I'm glad to see people are being employed. They got some really nice cars here. The last one was a Land Rover. I wanted to show it to you, but he says something I'm not going to say. And really cool dude. And this new one is a red vehicle. It must be a government vehicle. It's too dang nice. It's parked a little further up the road on the right side. It's right there. So let me give you some general information. Oh, $6,500 for this car here. $6,500 or best offer. This is what Amy needs. It needs new brakes, new front suspension, new battery, runs great. Amy, we need to round up $5,000 and give this to Amy so that way she can buy herself this car because her truck broke down yesterday. See, this is a good vehicle. This one has U.S. government. That's normal. It says protected American culture. That's a good vehicle. Not filming you guys, just filming the car. Not videoing you guys, just filming the car. Oh, she's filming me now. Not filming you guys, but since she's filming me, I'll film you. I'm just trying to show everybody that this is a good, official vehicle. We don't have a problem you guys doing your job. Not filming you guys, I'm down here. The problem we have is unmarked vehicles, and I've shown everybody the new way they're marking it's a government vehicle that's a little tiny tag. If you come around here like this, we'll recognize you as a government agency and we'll do what you tell us. But the problem we're having is you guys aren't paying the illegal immigrants money because they don't have a social security number. Well, what's wrong is we're a sanctuary state. They should be treated just like the guy next door that has a social security card. So I'm not your enemy. All I'm trying to do is tell the people we should have due process and we should be all treated fairly. Now, if we weren't a sanctuary state, you won't see me standing here. I'm for the people. I'm for the people because they're being violated. We're also being violated. This is a good vehicle. So if all vehicles were marked this way, you won't have a problem with me. Even if you don't have nothing on the side door, U.S. government tells me, stay away. Make sense? We're in America. By the way, I'm a legal American now, brought here from Vietnam. You guys taught me what's right and wrong. I'm just pointing out, this is right, unmarked vehicles is wrong. Now, I love getting my picture taken, by the way. I've been in the news every week this week. Thank you. John Denilofs. So like I said, I did not put him on the video because it's not, and then in this front here, but this vehicle is properly marked. It has no license plate, but it is properly marked. You're not in the video. I'm just trying to show them that this is proper, this is correct. Do not come around with unmarked vehicles in our neighborhood. How you doing? Good. They're killing our chickens.
Yeah, no,
yeah, and the neighbor don't want me to film, so that's why I'm filming. This is a free country. Look, I'm walking the street. If they come with marked vehicles, that's fine. But they're coming with unmarked vehicles. That's illegal. Plus, also, our illegal immigrants are not getting paid for their dead chickens. We're a sanctuary state, right? So they should get paid for their chickens. Doesn't that make sense? Yeah. So tell all the illegal immigrants that they need to get their check. Gavin Newsom is not on their side. Now see this other vehicle. All these vehicles are good. U.S. government, U.S. government. But the other teams that's coming out to the site are not U.S. government. So I talked to the team this morning off the live, and I'm going to respect them. And I've told them I'm not putting these people. They're hearing dogs. So I told that team, the lady that carried the bench, I told her I'm not putting these people's pictures up there. I mean, of course, I'm doing it here from a distance, but I'm not zooming my camera right into the employees' faces. What I'm trying to do is show what's right and wrong. All 4 of these vehicles that's on this location are clearly marked as government employees. You know, government employees. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about the agricultural people. I can't hate these guys. Back in the day when I was 23, I worked in farming, and it wasn't really like farming with dogs or chicken. I planted grass, turf grass, and I was up and down the 99. A lot of folks that had farms wanted polo fields put in there, play yards put in there, or grass planted so that way for control of erosion. So I know the people that's working in ags, they're lovers of animals. I know they're doing this, and they're probably not happy about doing this, but they're doing their job, you know. Your face is not on the camera, by the way. Just want to tell you that. Your face is not on the camera, because you guys are all driving legal cars. All your vehicles are marked. Marked all your cars, U.S. government, and you won't have a problem with this. Timothy says if illegal immigrants have a family member or friend, they trust they can get a third-party form, which is basically having the payment sent to them so they get paid. Thank you, Timothy, but we need to tell this to these folks. You know, all my newly found Hispanic friends who speak Spanish, read what Timothy Campbell just said and help these people. I mean, where's the Democratic Party coming out here making sure these people get their checks? You know, here's the funny part about America, and I love America. I really frickin' love America. Everybody that's illegal that has not received a check can file to ask for reimbursement. That's what's great. Take it to court. That's what is wonderful about America. You've been wrong yesterday. Tomorrow, you can get compensated. Because America knows we make some mistakes sometime. And we correct it by compensating for you. But sometimes the compensation, like putting a man in prison for 30 years for marijuana use, the compensation isn't good enough. But at least it's still compensation, you know? And it looks like this crew is backing out. And I proved my point here. They've taken down the caution tape, and they're about to back out. And I'm going to give them respect, because I am getting respect back from the employees of the CDFA, and I'm going to give them that respect.